So, may party dito sa kaliwa guys. Nakakain pa ko barbecue guys. Yung ibang ko na makuna ng video guys. Pero ito, may nakakuha tayong malaki-laki yata ito. Okay, so. Yung malaki-laki guys. Yan, malaki na yan guys. Alas 4 na eh, palutad na rin eh. Kaya nang kunin natin guys. So, okay na yan guys. Mapigat to guys. Lumi pa nag-change press tayo guys. Kasi doon sa kabila marami ng guys. Dito tayo ngayon. Okay, so. Dito banda. Malaki-laki. Pa na natin yung tangkinet, yung bangka dito nga sira. Ayan guys, oh. Mas malaki-laki ito kunti sa dun sa kabila guys. Alright, kunti na natin. Medyo hirap tayo dito sa isa guys. Yung pa malaki ito. Okay, so. Malaki-laki na kunti guys. Ayan guys, oh. Yan. Ano ko guys, kasi baka makawala pa to. Sayang. Ito sunset guys, oh. Ha? Pangan natin sunset yan. Kaya mga dalawang nagka-casting guys. Yan. Kaya yun ang sunset, oh. Tignan natin guys. Zoom natin. Yan ang beautiful sunset guys. See? Look at the beautiful sunset guys. Grabe, oh. Sulod na sulod yung araw. Gusto natin guys. Ayan. Yan ang sunset. Beautiful sunset inside man. Fisherman. Ito naman ang kuha natin guys. Yan naman ang huli natin. Yeah, beautiful catching din. Guys, pagtinis natin guys. Alright, finish up our joy. The beautiful sunset. Okay. Alright guys, already done. And watching also the sunset going down guys. Continuous fishing, but supposed to be I don't like to go to fishing because my gout guys starting, but I take the medicine and very boring my house, and that's better I go to the beach and bring my rod and reel again. And this is it. At least ay not zero again guys. I continue catching. At least mayroon naman tayong maputi na pang binta naman guys. Alright, Mr. B. Pasensya ka na bro. Hindi ako nakatawag bro. Busy ako. Kaya lagi ako nasa hospital din. Kaya soon tatawagin kita pag din ako busy masyado. Okay. Alright, Mayer. At possibly maybe I want to go to the TSL guys. Because I want to pay my basketball master guys. Alright, God bless to you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, and I love you guys, and I love you mama in the sea, and love you mama in the land. I love you guys. See you soon again guys. Alright, this is it.